Hey everyone, if you want to optimize workflow with Copilot AI, here's your step-by-step guide. So, excuse me, optimizing your workflow with Copilot AI can significantly enhance productivity by automating routine tasks and providing intelligent assistance across various applications. So, one of the things that you can automate using Copilot AI, email management. You can go ahead into the email assistant, for example, and you can say draft an email about emergency meeting, right? You're gonna see right here. You're gonna wait for a few moments. Can you provide more context and details for this email? For example, who the recipients are. The recipient I'm gonna just type just draft an example email, right? You see right here the subject and the recipient, and you're gonna see they drafted an email. And you have the second feature, which is collaboration. Copilot AI integrates seamlessly with Microsoft Teams to improve meeting efficiency. So, you can go ahead into the general chat, right? And you can copy something from your meeting, right? Or let's say for example, you had a long message, and you want to basically summarize it. Let's say for example, this long, let's say this long thing, right? And you had a bullet point for your meeting. So I'm gonna copy that and go back and go to the Copilot, and I'm gonna go ahead to the general chat and input the bullet points that you entered, that you took or written down from the meeting, right? And type, for example, summarize that. Okay, as you can see right here, I've expired my free trial, but hit send right here, so you can basically summarize your meeting and assist in creating and assigning tasks based on the meeting discussions, right? So you could copy the bullet point, right? And you can say assign instead of summarize, assign tasks, right? For, let's have an example, five for participant A or my team member, and 10 for this guy, or this woman. And then you're gonna hit enter, and as you can see right here, I've expired my free trial, but you get the gist, right? And many more features. By integrating Copilot AI into your daily tasks, you can streamline your workflow, reduce manual effort, and enhance overall productivity, right? So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.